Differin Gel, first ever FDA-approved product to contain a prescription-strength acne-fighting retinoid adapalene, without prescription. Contains 0.1% adapalene, the only multi-benefit dermatologist-recommended retinoid available without a prescription. It is the latest ingredient in the OTC acne category in over 30 years. Differin Gel is ideal for those with mild to moderate acne, or even occasional breakouts. Clears breakouts where they start, deep in pores, and prevents new acne from forming, which ultimately restores skin's texture and tone. Differin works differently than other acne treatments by normalizing skin cell turnover and effectively targets two primary causes of acne, clogged pores and inflammation. Adapalene was created for superior tolerability compared to other prescription retinoid products not containing adapalene. It is suitable for use as part of your morning or evening regimen. Water-based formula, oil-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic. In a clinical study, Differin Gel provided up to 87% reduction in acne lesions after 12 weeks, which will continue to improve with further use. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.